Okay, so this is the next video of me going back to over the Cat and Fiddle. It's a nice car. These are the this is the start here. As I said obviously in the last video, this is a national speed limit. So yeah, it's a 50. We're only going 35, but let's go with it. We're okay. Watch out for these cyclists. So there is some sheep on the road up here. So you know I haven't just randomly, you know, come back another time to do the video, but there is some sheep in the road. I've just got to be careful of them. But I don't remember exactly where they are. I think there's around a bit of back brake there. Change down gear. Get my line here so I can see these sheep. Where are they? Around here somewhere. Just slow it down because I don't want to come off from some fucking sheep. Well, looks like they've gone off the road. There they are. Okay, now we can go. Okay, so feet on the pegs, on the tiptoes again, following my line, letting off the accelerator just a little bit, getting my line just right as well, trying to get it just right, and then leaning in, say hello, and then we're leaning my foot in a little bit, because what we're trying to do is get that speed up a little bit, so I'm not going around like a, you know, like a little scared deer. And then we're going to change down, just because I think we're going to have to overtake this fella in a minute. Just want to make sure we've got a clear run for that, and we have. Just going to slow it down because it is a national, but don't want to be getting tickets, do we? So we're going 47. He's just come into the road and he's not caught up to speed yet, or maybe just now. So this is the bit where it's a bit of a straight, then back into the twisties. So we just, yeah, we'll go through this a little bit, do the twisties, and then, yeah, see how we get on. I'll give you a running commentary of obviously how I'm, you know, what I'm doing with the bike, and then, you know, hopefully when you guys start, you know, commenting, and you can say, well, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong, and then I'll take that on board, and see if I can implement some of that thing, some of the things that you tell me, you know what I mean? Because as a community, like, we have some seriously experienced riders. Now I don't know whether they'll watch this video, but you know, I just yeah, I think it'll be beneficial for me, and not only that, I mean, for people who've just started out as well. You know, I mean, I'm you know, I'm not young, put it that way. So for people who are the older, you know, they might be looking at it thinking, right, okay, yeah, I have some issues like that. Like I'm fine, obviously, because I've been driving a car for years, so I'm fine with the roads and where to position myself. But on a bike, I can't do it. So if this helps people, you know, they might see it and think, oh, well, yeah, I can't do that. Do you know what I mean? And that's what I want to get from it, really. Like, you know, help me and obviously help you. So yeah, we're going to try and get back into rhythm with these now. So we're going to change down a little bit. He's slowing down, so I'm just going to change down, see if I can get an overtake on him, because I mean he's going 30, so oh yeah, he's slowing right down, can't get anything on that. Okay, let's see if we can overtake him here. Change down a gear, foot back on the peg, hold it in, nod, and bit of back brake, and lean it in. Okay, so get my position here, bit of back brake, and lean it in. Okay, bit of back brake, lean, and we're leaning it in right there. Okay, bit of back brake. Now, I don't know why I do back brake, but I've been told it's better. Stop you sliding out. I don't know if that's true. I generally don't. So if you have an opinion on back brake, front brake, let us know. I feel a bit safer using the back brake, just because I don't want it obviously slide out on me when I'm going around the corner. I'm pretty sure there's a term for that. But foot back on the pegs, so my tiptoes on the pegs. Letting off the accelerator a little bit, letting off a tiny bit, and this one gets a bit tight, so I have to get my angle right here, bit of back brake, change down, and lean right there. Okay, hold the position. This one is really tight, so we've got to slow it right down, and okay, and accelerate that. Looking where I'm going. Accelerate. Bit of back brake. And lean. And accelerate. And lean. And accelerate. And lean. Have to brake anyway because he's braking. We're going to change down a gear, get into position, and look where we're going, and lean. Oh, that was a twitchy bum moment at the back end. I kind of felt that. That's probably where I'd not ridden on the tyre. I'm pretty sure the traction control would come in then. So we've got to follow these lines a little bit. I did feel the back end slide a little bit. And get braking here just a tiny bit and try and lean again. And then we're going to follow the line here, bit of brake, and try and lean a little bit more. I'll change it to third, just because he's braking. We're going to brake a little bit and slow it down because we're catching these guys up now. Still keep the lines, still follow the lines, even though I can't really lean because I've got these guys here in front of me. I mean, I probably will try and overtake, but these roads are perfect for leaning, so they are really, really good. I just don't want to, you know, encroach onto the other side of the road without seeing what's coming. You know, because people fly around, not just obviously, you know, cars, motorbikes and all sorts, so more sheep. But yeah, so I mean, well, we're stuck behind here for a minute, so just on the way back, on the way there we got a 26 degree lean angle, which, yeah, again, it's not the best. Like, obviously it's not the best. So we got 26. On the way back I got 28, which is a record for me. I've never had 28 before. 26 has been the most, and that's, you know, bear in mind this is a new bike, so I've only been calculating my angles since I got this bike. So yeah, I mean, 28 and we're already improving. So the problem is the weather's going to be nice, and then I go back to work on Monday, so I won't be able to ride the bike at night because I work away. So yeah, let's see if I can see. Sometimes the police wait just here. Well, yeah, guys, just because I know I can't really overtake for these cars now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the video there. I really appreciate everyone who's been watching. Yeah, yet again, if you've got any tips, anything where you think, oh, you know what, you could have improved there, you know, literally anything, any little tips that you can think of that to make me be able to lean more confident, do you know what I mean? Like, you know, I'll take them into consideration. I'll be like, oh, okay, right, this fella reckons this, and you know, like, I'm not just going to listen to one guy going, oh, well, you know, I've been riding 58 years, and you need to ride with no shoes on, like, you know, random shit. But you know, if they make sense, obviously I'm going to try them. So yeah, by all means, drop a comment, obviously give us a like, everything helps, and then I can improve. Hopefully you guys might learn something from it as well, or you know, I'm sure not many people learn from my riding, but you might, and if I can do that, then awesome. So drop us a like, comment, you know, subscribe would be great, and then yeah, I'll keep on posting. I appreciate it, guys. Cheers.